Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel again. So as we all are aware, the artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the accounting profession, and ICAI has recently launched two excellent AI learning opportunities for all the CA students. So in this video, I'll explain both the workshop, their syllabus, benefits, registration process, and I'll also help you decide which one is right for you. So let's get started. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more CA related guidance, tips and strategies. So the first course is the online workshop on artificial intelligence for CA students, and this is available on the ICAI Digital Learning Hub platform. So this workshop aims to provide you all with practical understanding of AI and its application in accounting, auditing, taxation, reporting and academics. So now let's discuss about the eligibility for this workshop. So this workshop can be attended by all the students. So whether you are in CA Foundation, Intermediate or CA Final, you can attend the workshop. So student at every level of CA can participate in this. So the registration fee for this workshop is only ₹100. So considering the relevance of AI in today's professional environment, this is highly affordable opportunity to learn future ready skills. Now let's see what all you will learn from this workshop. So this workshop covers Introduction to AI, understanding the fundamentals of AI and its growing importance in the profession, data visualization and reporting, learning how AI tools can convert financial data into meaningful reports and dashboard, AI in finance and accounting, application of AI in bookkeeping, accounting processes, financial reporting and analysis, AI in auditing and taxation, understanding how AI assists auditors and tax professionals in data analysis and risk assessment, ethical use of AI, learning the responsible and professional use of AI tools, productivity enhancement tools, and also exploring AI-powered tools that help automate routine tasks and improve efficiency. You'll also learn about AI in presentation and academics. So you'll also learn about using of AI for presentation, learning enhancement and academic productivity. So the benefits of this workshop are you can learn at your own pace, exposure to practical AI application, affordable registration fee, better decision making capability, automation of repetitive tasks, improved productivity and efficiency. And also upon successful completion, you will receive a participation letter. So this workshop is ideal for students who are looking for a strong foundation in AI. So the link to access this workshop has been given in the description below. You can access this from the Digital Learning Hub of the ICAI. So once you click on the link in the description below, you will be navigated to this ICAI Digital Learning Hub. And here you can see the details of this workshop, AI for Students Aura. And the registration fee is ₹100 and it can be attended by all the CA students, that is whether you are in Foundation, Inter or Final. So now let's move on to discuss about the second workshop. So the second workshop is the Aura, Artificial Intelligence Understanding for Raising Achievers. So this is a comprehensive 2-day AI workshop. So unlike the first workshop which focuses on foundational learning, this workshop combines theory with practical implementation and hands-on exercises. So let's see what are the key outcomes of this workshop. So you will get a conceptual understanding of AI and automation relevant to future CAs. And also you will grasp ethical boundaries and professional responsibility with AI. And you will also learn to conduct a smart financial review end to end. Now let's see which all AI tools will be used in this workshop. So basically you will learn to use ICAI CA GPT, Midjourney, Sora, Google AI Studio, Perplexity AI, Bricks.com, Rose.com, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Canva AI, Cloud, Notebook LM and other AI tools as well. So this is a 2-day session. So the first day session is about foundation and application. So let's see what is the syllabus of day 1. So day 1 first will be introduction to AI. So in this you learn about history and evolution of AI, concepts relating to machine learning, MLP, deep learning, and also you learn about prompt drafting and crafting, and also how to use ChatGPT. The next topic in day 1 is AI in finance and accounting. So under this you learn drafting financial statements and other financial reports. And you'll also solve case study on accounting and expense mapping. And you'll also learn about personal finance and wealth management powered by AI. The third topic for day 1 is AI in auditing and taxation. So in this you will learn to solve case studies using AI based on risk analysis, and also case studies based on the income tax and GST as well. And then ethical use of AI. In this you will learn about foundation of ethical AI, business and hallucination in AI and how to control this, and building an ethical AI culture. And at the end of day 1 there will be an assessment also, and this will be an MCQ based assessment. Then day 2. This is more practical oriented. So day 2 will be based on hands-on experience with smart financial review. So the first topic for this day will be productivity enhancement tool. So under this you learn vibe coding, Google Apps script, macros and VBA script. And the second topic is data visualization and reporting. Under this you learn building AI powered visuals for presentation and AI task automation. And the next topic is AI in presentation, design using AI and presentation using AI. And the next topic is to enhance academics. So you will learn AI based study planning and mock test. And for the day 2 there will be 2 type of assessments. So one is MCQ assessment will be there, and then there will be a presentation also. So you will have to submit a project, and also a use case based presentation will be there. So I have provided the link of this also in the description below. So this workshop is highly practical, and this practical component makes this workshop interactive and application oriented. And various other AI tools also relevant to the accounting profession will be taught in this workshop. For more details on this workshop, you can contact your nearest ICAI branch. Now let's discuss which workshop you should choose. So now you might be wondering which workshop is better for you. So choose the DLH Online Workshop, that is the first one, if you are new to AI, or if you prefer self-paced learning, or if you want a strong foundation before moving to advanced application. And you can choose the Aura workshop, that is the second one, if you want hands-on learning, you enjoy structured classroom style training, and you also want a practical exposure to multiple AI tools, and if you are interested to work on projects and assessment. Now my recommendation is, suppose now if you are done with the exams and if you also completed the ITT and the other orientation, everything, and if still time is there for the results, you can attend both the workshops. The DLH workshop will help you to build fundamentals, while Aura will help you to apply those concepts in real world accounting and finance scenarios. So together they both provide a comprehensive introduction to AI for all the CS students. So AI is becoming an integral part of accounting, auditing, taxation and finance. As future CS, understanding AI will help you improve productivity, make better decisions and also remain relevant in a rapidly evolving profession. So ICAI's DLH AI Workshop and the Aura 2-day AI Workshop are excellent opportunity to begin your AI learning journey. So the registration link to both of the workshop has been given in the description below. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please like the video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel for more CA related guidance, tips and strategy. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next video.